Hello and welcome back to Market Wizard. Manas this side. So hope you guys all heard of the news that there is a massive surge in COVID cases in China. So this news was also even reflecting in today's market. So let me show you the chart of Bank Nifty. What is happened today? So here is the Bank Nifty chart. Let me put it one day chart, daily chart. So you see this massive this crash, right? So today's crash was around 1,000 point. So 1,000 point is a very big crash, right? So it usually never happens. So you can see here all this these are small candles, right? So this is somewhat a brutal candle, I would say. So after corona I never saw such a big fall, right? It happens here and there, but usually it won't happen without any news or any other reason, right? So and today is one of that day. So I was actually expecting this fall by looking into the price action. You can also see here. So this I would say, so if you know about the price action, so you see this is something like a head and shoulder pattern, right? So this is the support levels, and this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Now this broke the support level. So what I am expecting from here is like market will it will bounce from here to this now this support will become the resistance levels, right? So market can bounce until here. From there it can crash further. So this might be happen, but nobody can predict the market, how market behaves. But this is what price action is saying, right? So now let me show you the trades which I have took today. So today is Wednesday, so you guys all know that Wednesdays I will trade, right? So Wednesdays I will carry the trades for Thursdays. So Thursday is the option expiry. The weekly expiries and monthly expiry happen on the Thursdays, right? So today I have almost made 16 positions, right? So I am only carrying 4 out of that. But this is a for me it's like a huge positions, right? So I never may make this much of trades in a day. So but today is an exception. Also, I let me show you the order history. So I have almost punched 38 orders today. So this is really massive for me. So I never do that much trades. But what happened today? So today is the day it hit my stop loss, left, right, and in the center, right? So there is a massive fall. So you know, right, all the put positions. So when I am selling, I am an option seller. So I used to sell call and put, right? So all the put positions, it will hit the stop loss when the market is falling in such a momentum, right? So that's what exactly happened. And I have started with the day with this particular option. I have sold 43,100 put option. So I have sold this around 30 rupees. So why I have sold this? By seeing yesterday's price action. Let me show you the price action, what happened yesterday. So let me show you from here maybe. So you see the price action for yesterday. So this was actually the resistance level for the market, right? So market is continuously touching this level, but the market is unable to break. And yesterday it closed at the high of the day, right? So this is what happened yesterday, and today market opened somewhere around here. So this actually the market has actually broken this resistance level. Then my in my mind it was like, so let me draw this resistance level once again. So what was in my mind? So this was the resistance level. When a resistance broken, then what will happen? So this resistance will act as a support, right? From there is a chance that market will bounce. So this is what in my mind. And here you see it actually made a green candle here, even though it was not a strong candle. So it made a green candle. So what I was thinking, like from here market can rally. So this was in my mind. So then I have sold somewhere around here 43,100 put option I have sold. So from here actually market crashed. This is one thing, but let me show you my positions, what happened to my positions. So this is very interesting, and it's actually a really good learning for you guys when you are starting out in trading, right, options journey. So I told that this was my strike 43,100. This is my first trade which I have took. So I have sold around 30 rupees. Okay, so now you see I have booked a loss of 2,600 rupees. And how I booked the loss? So when this option was trading around 80 rupees, so 80 rupees was my stop loss, so I have booked the loss there. Now you notice this option. What is the last traded price for this option? It is 445 rupees. I am an option seller, so why I sold this option for 30 rupees? Sorry, let me go back to the positions. So why I have sold this particular option for 30 rupees? So as an option seller, my intention was this option should become 0, then only I'll be making profit. So this was in my mind, right? And I kept a stop loss of 80 rupees, correct? Even if it doesn't make like 0, even market crashes from there, so it will hit my stop loss in 80 rupees. So this is what my plan, right? So my plan worked very well. So I booked a loss of 2640 rupees. And you notice this option have touched the levels of 445 rupees. It's a huge move. It's a huge move, I would say. So now let me show you. Let me calculate here. So 445 rupees minus 30, right? So 30 is the price when I'm selling this option, right? So this will come around 415 rupees. So, and what is my quantity which I am selling? 50 rupees, right? So now imagine if I stick with that trade, and if I haven't exited that trade on time, then what will happen? So I will be carrying a loss of 20k. So this is a huge amount, guys. So this is a huge amount. So we should never be in such a situation, right? So you should never fight with the market. I always tell in my previous videos, right? So you have to follow the strict stop loss rules. You should never fight with the market. So when the trade is not working out, exit from the trade, right? Don't pray, don't pray to God that may not work, right? So exit from the trade. That's what you have to do, right? Market behaves in a different way, right? Hope is not a strategy, right? Now let me also show you my other positions. So as I told, today is the day which hit all my stop losses in the put side. Here my stop loss was hit here, here, right? So here as well. So all the put side positions you see all are in red, right? But I also made good profits in call side. You see, like, I think these are hedges which is in profit. But you see here 1700, right? So here 1600. So all, even some put options I also even made the profits here. For example, here I have made 1500. Here also I have made 1000 rupees, right? So out of these 16 positions, I am only carrying 4 positions for tomorrow. So what all are that 4 positions? Let me show you here. So this is one strike. On the downside, I am carrying 41,700 put option, and on the upper side I am carrying 43,300 and call option, right? So I have sold this around 43 rupees here, and here in the put option I have sold around 27 rupees. So these were the trades I am carrying. And also there are 2 more positions here. This is actually hedges. So here also you can see these are the hedge positions, because we have to hedge the positions, right? Today onwards, there is a chance that volatile moves will happen in the market. Whenever you are carrying positions overnight, it's always better. I would not say always, you must hedge the positions. That's how an option seller should work, right? So and also you can see here, I am not carrying a big loss today, right? So even though in the initial hours I was in loss, but at the end of the day I am in break even. That's how a trader should work, right? So you should not make big losses. So loss is a part of game, right? So I would say loss is something like a punch in the boxing match, right? So you cannot win a boxing match without getting a punch, but the idea is not getting knocked out, right? So this is one good quote you can remember in your life, right, when you are a trader. So losses are part of the game. The idea is not big make big losses. So that's how a trader should work. So that's it for today. So good night guys. So see you tomorrow. Bye.